This is how it should function once you end up fixing it and replacing it, because the actuator was bad. You can't control the air directions, like how you can put it on the body, put it on the legs, you know how all this control works. So I'll show you when I change it how it should work, and if you had the same actuator which is faulty, you will not see these things working when you change the controls. Let me show you in the camera. So there you go. Turn on. See how the gears are moving? There you go. So if it functions properly, you will see how the gears are moving. If it is not functioning properly, you will hear that cluttering noise. Okay, hopefully that helps you out. Thank you so much for watching it, and please like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.